Hello, welcome. This is Purpose Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do doormats using Pompom. So these are the items you are going to need. You are going to need your yarn fabric. So this is the yarn. You are using color white and black. Our scissors, pen, our material for the base of the doormats, round cardboard. This is what we are going to use in shaping the pom-pom, and our glue gun with glue stick. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to make this pom-pom. See, it's very fluffy. So let's show you how to do it. So this is how we do it. I've already measured my hand and it's 3 inches. Then we tie in between. This is it. You have to do as many as you would need. So we are going to cut our object. I want mine in a round shape, so I'm going to cut it. I'm cutting 6 inches. This is our round object, so we are going to start. First of all, we've already prepared our glue gun. We are starting from the circumference. Then we apply. So this is the base, so you cut the hanging fringe there. So our doormat is ready. So this is our So very strong. Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed it. This is very simple and easy to make. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful and simple videos. Thank you.